Yo, what's up guys, it's Marco here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my agency Client Finder AI review. This is a software that allows you to search for local businesses and propose to them to improve their website performance, for example, because chances are that these local businesses are not so good in websites or online marketing, stuff like that, okay? So you can earn from this and they can improve their skills thanks to you. So if you're searching for something like that, stay with me till the end of the video because I'll show you how this works, okay? But before I start with this review, I want to remind you that if you go into the description of this page, in the link down below, you will find a link to my bonus page where you can find many important information about this offer. So Agency Client Finder AI. You will see even the pricing of the front-end offer and the one-time offers. And at the end of the page, you will find my bonuses. So if you want to have all these bonuses for free, and then you have bonus number 1, which is reach 6 figures with ChatGPT. Bonus number 2, which is how to grow your email list fast. Then bonus number 3, which is get rich with the best 2023 passive income strategies. Then bonus number 4, which is your first $10,000 per month. And bonus number 5, which is build your millionaire mindset in just 1 hour. So if you want to have all these bonuses for free, all you have to do is to click on one of these buttons here. So get your copy of Agency Client Finder AI Edition and get my bonuses. You will land on the sales page, and after the purchase, you will find my bonuses here, access affiliate bonus, okay? So it's very easy. Now, as I was saying before, you can make lead generation, so search for local businesses in a very easy way, because this software has lead generation software integrated, okay? So you can do this. You don't have to struggle in order to search for these local businesses because it's all integrated here, okay? Now let's see a video in which Matt Garrett, that's to say the creator of the software, explains what is this all about and how it works, okay?
Hi, welcome to Agency Client Finder. So I'm quickly going to go through this. So first of all, we need some source data to get some places from or some businesses from. So I'm going to use the Add API Places Data API. I can do it manually, and that's quite easy. I won't go through that one at the moment. I'll just go the quick route and go to the API Data Places. And we need to select a country, UK selected at the moment, a data source, which is default Google, and we need to find an area. Now you can type whatever I want in here. I'm just typing PLY to start off with. When I click to search that area, it'll populate this town or postcode options. So I've got Plymouth PL1. I'm going to take Plymouth. The business type, I'm going to look for some plumbers. Okay, once I've put those in, first I'm going to start a new session. So I'm going to click to import the places, and it will just go away and find those for me. And when I click to add places, it will give me a dashboard full of businesses. Okay, I can filter these out a little bit. I can clean for invalid websites, so I want to make sure that all the ones I'm going to work for have got a website. So click to clean invalid websites. That will run and do that for me. I could in fact keep it so I'd only keep the ones that didn't have websites if that's the kind of business I was looking for. So now I can go and check all those websites and stuff about the business. I can just click this up here, and it will go off and it will just process each one of the businesses and find all the basic information about them. So now I have all the basic information, contact information, etc. If we want to, we can work from here, but we're probably better off to do an even more in-depth analysis. So let's take one of these. Let's try this Mike Jarvis Plumbing, and we can go into OpenView. And now we get the information that we've got, but in a better displayed view. We can see exactly what we've got, what we haven't got, and what's right and what's wrong. We can do some more in-depth analysis. So if we do all these, we can check the performance of the site, the SEO of the site, the accessibility, and we can do those all in one go. So you just click that button there. And that's all done. We can also find the link data on it. And we can check all sorts of other things. We've got a mobile friendly screenshot over here, so I can check if it's mobile friendly and run off and do a test on that one. In fact, while that's working, we'll look down here. We can see apparently it hasn't got a link to the account linked to the website. So let's go and see if we can search if we can find one. Mike Jarvis Plumbing in Plymouth. That looks like that's probably the one. And sure enough, Mike Jarvis Plumbing and Heating at Gas Engineers at Mike Jarvis Plumbing and Heating Services. So that's the right one. So we can copy that up here and go back to our open view. And if I just click the edit button, I can update that particular element. And then we'll see now LinkedIn's all set up. And the mobile friendly check has finished, and yes, it's sure enough, it's mobile friendly, and there's a quick image of the web page on a mobile phone. And once we have all the information that we want, we can turn that into a customer report by going to Build Customer Report, and we can decide what we want and don't want in the customer report. So we can take things out or put things back in, and I'm going to generate that report. And there we are, you see it appears up here as an image. So now we've got everything done, and we've analysed everything about the business. We know exactly what we need to supply, what we need to talk about, so we can go and contact the customer. So let's go to Campaign Manager. If I open the Campaign Manager up, you'll now see we have a campaign for each of the businesses that are going on at the moment. Before we do anything else, we just want to manage the emails. So we're going to send out a series of 4 emails to the particular customer. So let's put in the business types. It's a plumbing business, and that will auto populate the emails with the details of that particular business, etc. So we just need to save that off. So we save the emails, and it's paused at the moment. We need to activate the campaign. Now we can change this and edit this particular one, but this shows you what the email is, and so it's added to it the customer business report, and it's taken us to click and book a free strategy call. That's the object of this particular email. Once we've done that, we can go to campaigns. We go to the campaign manager once again, and now we'll see what we can do. So if we take just that one business, which is the Mike Jarvis Plumbing and Heating, I can turn the email status on, and as you can see at the moment, it's now on. It says this is the first email, and it allows us to send. So it tells us yes, the action is required. So I send that, and there we are, the email is now sent, and you'll see that there's no action now required. In fact, the emails come to me because part of the test, so you can see it's actually come in there. We're now on to the second email. It won't allow you to send that out now for another 48 hours, so that you send out these emails in a sensible sequence. And all you need to do is come into your campaign manager once a day and go through, and if it says action required, so in this case it says you need to phone somebody. If there's no action required or whatever, this one will then come back to yes and tell you to phone the next one out. It says need to fill your appointment book, so that's come into me. And you see it has the report in there, the email, and click to your free strategy call. And you can connect any calendar to that one. They can book their own strategy call and actually engage with your customer.
Okay, now we are inside the software. You see here, Agency Client Finder Integrated Intelligence. As Matt did before, we can go on campaigns, add API places data local. In this case, I could choose even US. Instead of this, I can choose, for example, another one, for example, New York. Click to find a search area. Now, New York, I can even set a box code, business type. We can search plumbers. Start new session, click to import places, click to add places. And then you see that we have here a list of local businesses. Okay, that we can contact. For example, I can click here to clean invalid websites in order to list only businesses that has websites. And you see in this case the businesses without websites are eliminated here, and so we can choose, for example, the ones who have a poor score in order to improve the performances. So we can contact them via mail marketing and ask them if we want to be helped by us. Okay, well, you know, probably you're thinking, but is this called contacting? Well, I think no, actually, because you're proposing something that they can find very useful. So even if it's true that they're not searching for you, it's you searching for them, I think you can have a good chance of a success in this case, because you're probably touching them in the weak spot. Okay, so you can help them to improve the performances and then earn from this, okay? Well, now as for the pricing, we can find the Agency Client Finder AI Edition, which is the one that you see on the demo video, which is $47. Then Agency Client Finder Services, which other features that are really good, and I suggest you to take these, especially if you have serious intention to do that. By the way, I have to say, don't buy this just as a easy method to make money, okay? Buy Agency Client Finder AI only if you're good with this, only if you could really help these people, okay? $37. One-time offer 2, local lead pages monthly. One time you can choose between a monthly, which is $27 per month, or one time $97. Obviously I suggest you to take this $97 the one time. Okay. This is Client Reviews plugin. It's a plugin that I made a review of some time ago. I have to say this is a really good plugin which allows you to manage all the reviews of the businesses from just one place, and you have different prices according to the number of sites. Okay, so if there is only one site, $17, or a maximum of 10 sites, $47, and maximum of 100 sites, $67. You can have this forever with one-time offer 4. I remind you that if you buy Agency Client Finder AI from my page, you can have my bonuses for free. And by the way, it's sufficient that you buy the front-end offer, okay? You don't have to buy the one-time offers in order to have my bonuses. The front-end offer is enough. You'll have my bonuses at the end. And these are bonus number 1, which is reach 6 figures with ChatGPT. Bonus number 2, how to grow your email list fast. Bonus number 3, get rich with the best 2023 passive income strategies. Bonus number 4, which is your first $10,000 per month. And bonus number 5, build your millionaire mindset in just 1 hour. So you have to click on this button here. You will be redirected to the sale page. And after the purchase, you will find my bonuses here, Access Affiliate Bonus. One last thing I want to tell you is to, if you can, buy this as soon as possible, because there are also these fast action bonuses, okay? They are very precious. Local services client contract template, YouTube for business training guide, selected consultancy video collection, and these 3 bonuses. I remind you to act as soon as possible, otherwise these could disappear. This review is over. Bye.